Hey guys, let's compare Bose Soundbar 700 with Soundbar 500. The Bose Soundbar 700 takes advantage of a larger build to fit in 4 mid-range drivers and a tweeter, creating impressive front-facing sound. Many of its standout features, from Alexa or Google Assistant voice commands to eARC support, can also be found in the 500. And it's a fair critique that most soundbars in this price range come bundled with a subwoofer. The 500 shares its counterpart's voice assistant support and connectivity options at a lower price point, though the lower cost and smaller frame translates to slightly less rich sound quality. Improving the sound quality by purchasing the optional Bose subwoofer and dual speakers will cost you an arm and a leg. And the lack of DTS support is a disappointment. If you are seeing this channel for first time, please hit that subscribe button right now. Despite a significant price difference, Bose's 2 top soundbars come with the same audio channels, assistance and connectivity, as well as a similar design and nearly identical support for audio formats and apps. They also share some of the same weaknesses, including the optional, and expensive, subwoofer and discrete speakers. The primary differences between the 700 and 500 come down to the 700's improved sound quality, larger, glossier build, and a more advanced remote control. Feel free to check the price and purchase from the links below. I have kept the links in the description box. Bose deserves credit for not following the industry trend of reserving cool features only for its most expensive speaker. Instead, many cutting-edge perks are supported in both devices. Both the 500 and 700 have built-in voice command support for Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as Apple AirPlay 2. Though neither have built-in Chromecast, as many other soundbars do nowadays. Either device can connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, Ethernet, optical, or a single HDMI input for either ARC or, impressively, eARC. Also, both devices feature adaptive mics that calibrate the size of your room and adjust the sound accordingly. Via Wi-Fi or AirPlay, both devices natively stream Spotify, Pandora, TuneIn, iHeartRadio, Amazon Music, SiriusXM, Deezer and Apple Music. With either device you can use Bose Simple, Sync, and Bluetooth to stream music or TV audio directly to your personal headphones. In terms of specs, both speakers feature a simple 3.0 layout, with no separate subwoofer or upward-firing speakers to speak of. Both devices use built-in quiet port tech for its bass, which delivers cleaner bass with less distortion, but also won't reach the same sound or power as a subwoofer. Bose does allow you to purchase and pair discrete speakers and a subwoofer with either device to build a 3.1.2 configuration. However, Bose programmed them to only work with Bose surround speakers, and either the Bose Bass Module 500 or 700. You can't link up your own non-Bose subwoofer to save money. So for proper bass or surround sound, things will get expensive regardless of which soundbar you choose. A few key differences is that the Bose Soundbar 700 size is up at 2.25 by 38.5 by 4.25 inches and weighs 10.5 pounds, whereas its little sibling measures just 1.75 by 31.5 by 4 inches and weighs merely 7 pounds. Neither is particularly large or tall for a soundbar sitting in front of a TV. But a handful of users may prefer a narrower option if they need to fit it inside an entertainment center shelf. If you prefer your soundbar to make a visual statement, the 700 comes in Arctic white as well as black, and has a shiny glass top. The 500 only has a black option with a matte top. Glass tends to be a magnet for grime and fingerprints, which means you'll need to put more effort into keeping it clean. Bose includes a cleaning cloth with purchase, but you'll probably need to invest in some non-damaging cleaning solution as well. With its extra real estate, the 700 fits in 4 mid-range drivers, 2 on either side of a tweeter. The 500 includes 3 front-facing drivers and 2 side-facing drivers. The extra forward driver allows the 700 to have richer sound, while you might assume the 2 side drivers would give the 500 an edge for surround sound. The 700 uses Bose's proprietary phase guide transducers to direct sound in more directions than the 500 can hit. While both support Dolby Digital sound, only the 700 works with DTS as well. Remotes matter less in a device with comprehensive voice commands. But the 700 does include a Bluetooth-enabled universal remote with purchase, while the 500 comes with a smaller, basic IR remote. The universal remote has some neat features, letting you switch between music presets easily and lighting up specific buttons based on what mode the soundbar is in. It's compatible with the 500, if you're willing to shell out additional cash for it. Both the 700 and 500 are great soundbars. On its own merits, it's safe to say the 700 is the superior choice due to its extra mid-range driver and phase guide support. Both speakers map out your room with adaptive tech, but the 700 is better equipped to adjust its sound to accommodate your specific layout. Still, the 500 has solid forward-facing sound that works well enough for a mid-range soundbar, and has virtually the same easy setup and ease-of-use features as its more expensive counterpart. Consider whether or not you want to augment your soundbar with its expensive accessories, or if you're fine with it as an all-in-one solution. Mediocre bass is the weak point for both soundbars. So if you were to purchase the 500 soundbar and 500 Bose subwoofer, you'll be spending close to $1,000, which isn't too expensive compared to the 700. At the price you'll get for the 700 and the extras, you can purchase an excellent Dolby Atmos compatible soundbar package instead. Unless you're particularly passionate about the DTS audio format or white soundbars. We feel that neither soundbar offers any major downsides compared to the other, and you can safely choose one or the other based on your budget. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.